Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can change a personal PayPal account to a business account. Now this is very easy and quick. All you have to do, guys, by the way, you can do the same steps inside your phone. If you are using PayPal app, you can do the same process for both devices. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to click on this gear in the top right, as you can see, settings, and then it will take you guys to this page. Now what you're gonna need, guys, you want to scroll down. Okay, at the very bottom it says here unlock new features like express checkout. Now this is just one of the features. Business account offers a lot of different options, okay, compared to personal accounts. Now what you need to do, guys, you just need to click on upgrade to a business account, and then it will take you guys to this page so that you can start creating your business account. Here what you need to do, guys, you want to enter your name, and then here your last name, and then here your email address. So I'm going to go to copy an email address, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can complete this. Okay, this email address, like it says here, is already being used for an account. So I'm going to get another email address, and then, like I said, okay, going to add 3 here. You want to add here your password. After that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next, after you do all these things, you want to scroll down and click you agree, and you read and agree to the user agreement and privacy statement, and then click agree and create account. It will take you guys to another page, okay, where you have to enter other information, like your address, your business name, okay. Like they will ask you guys for a lot of different things. It says here activate your account to start using your PayPal. Will guide you. Okay, it says here this includes, okay, click on, you can, like I said, it will ask you guys to enter your business or share some personal info. You just need to click on let's go, and then it will take you directly, guys, to enter all this information. Now because I am not going to enter that, I'm going to click on skip now. But for you, like I said, you need to click on let's go, and then you want to add like your name, like tax ID if you have it. If you live in another country, just like you don't have to add the tax ID. Okay, click on skip for now, and as you can see here, guys, I have successfully created a business PayPal account. Now this is a business PayPal account. This is not personal. As you can see, you can start using it right now. You don't even have to enter all the information. As you can see here, you can receive payments like marketing for growth, business tools. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. See you guys in the next one.